you all very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is National Festival of country. Now 26 January 1950.
Dr. Ambedkar is the father of Indian Constitution. We should always respect our Constitution. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much.
Country is famous for its great culture and traditional value all across the world. Republic Day is National Festival of our country. I am proud to be Indian. ವೇಷ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾರತ ಒಂದೇ